Hi students, today for this algebra lesson, yes, algebra, big fancy name for kindergarten, we're lesson 9.11. We are going to use the words alike and different to describe the two-dimensional shapes that we've been working on. Okay, so let's look at these shapes that we already know. Triangle, 3 sides, 1, 2, 3. Rectangle, let's count the sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, remember that. Circle, we're not going to count the sides because it has one continuous curve and no vertices. The square, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Wait a minute, I just said the number 4, didn't I? All right, let's go back. 4, I'm going to write the number to have it in my head. 4 sides, right? Square. No, this doesn't have 4. Let's see the rectangle. 2, 3, 4. Yes, okay. So the rectangle and the square are alike because they have the same number of sides. Your job on this page is to remember 4 sides, 4 vertices for the rectangle and the square. They're alike, same number of sides. So color each of the square and rectangles the same color green because they are alike. The shapes that have a curve, color them blue because they are like the circle. They are a circle. The shapes that have 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, all the triangles are alike because they have the same number of sides. Color them red. Again, we're using the words alike and different to describe the two-dimensional shapes. On this page, number 1 in the apple, we're talking about vertices. So the shapes that have the same number of vertices on this side. So let's go with the square and rectangle because we just did that. Okay, square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A shape that's alike is a rectangle because it also has 4 sides and 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they can be on this side because they are alike because, again, I have that number in my head. I'm just going to write it down. They have 4 sides and 4 vertices. The shapes that are different than this, different number of vertices. A circle is different because it doesn't have 4 vertices. It doesn't have any. Triangle is different because it has 3 vertices, not 4. On this page again, we're doing alike and different. Number 2 in the sun. Which shapes are alike because they have the same number of sides? So I'm going to go with triangle on this one. 3 sides for the triangle. And I'm going to make an ice cream cone. Yummy. 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay, shapes on this side don't have 3. They have a different number. Square. Oh, actually, looks more like a rectangle, right? Okay, I'll try to make a square this time. This is different than the triangle because it has 4 sides and vertices. The triangle has 3. And a circle, you can even put a hexagon on here because a hexagon doesn't have 3 sides, it has 6. So on the next page, okay, number 1 in the apple. I have a curve. What shape am I? There's only one shape that we've been working on that has a curve. Continuous curve all the way around is a circle. A circle. Number 2 in the sun. Curve. Start with the C. Give me your camera. Curve. Draw shapes with curves here. And if you want to, give me an oval. An oval is a shape, sorry, that looks like an egg. Let me try a better one. That looks a little better. It looks a little flatter, like it looks like an egg. And it has curves, right? There's no straight sides and no vertices on here. It has total curves. No curves. Think of shapes that have no curves. Triangle. No curves. That's silly. It has all straight lines. A square. All straight lines. Even a diamond. Okay? All no curves on this side. And you are done. Kiss that brain. Whew! Kids, you're in kindergarten and doing algebra. You rock.